Welcome everyone on Let's Study channel. Today we are going to study second text from Unit 2, The Boy Who Broke the Bank from My English Course Book Standard 10th. At first, we will see chit-chat session of the warming up. See a famous proverb. A lie can run round the world before truth has got its boots on. A lie can run round the world before truth has got its boots on. सत्य चपला घालेपर्यंत असत्य गावभर भटकून येते. This is a famous proverb that tells us a difference between a lie and the truth. It means that a lie spreads more fastly than the truth. Talk with your group about some recent rumor when people believed at first and suffered for it later. There are various rumors we have heard relating to the corona. For example, medicines, e-forms, trends, etc. Claiming those medicines that effective on corona brought them money, but of course those claims were wrong. Rumors relating to e-forms and trends collected crowd at number of places which was strictly prohibited for corona. Also discuss how one can decide whether some news is a fact or fake. If we check its authority, we can understand if it is a fact or a rumor. We will try to find out that if the news is from authority or not. If it is by the authority, then it is a fact, otherwise fake. Who do you think are responsible for spreading false news? I think some miscreants, gossipers, or sometimes orthodox people may be directly or indirectly are responsible for spreading false news. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? Of course, I don't believe in all the news that I come across. I think no one should believe in all the news without checking its origin. Give one example of a rumor which seemed to be fact in the beginning, later it was proved false. It was a rumor that in 2012 the earth would get destroyed. But see, we all are alive. Read the following statements. Describe whether it is fact or rumor. Justify your decision. In this column, statements are given. We have to read it carefully and decide that if it is a rumor or a fact. And then tick the mark accordingly. If it is a fact, then we have to tick in this column, and if it is a rumor, we have to tick in this column. In the column of explanation, write the reason why did you decide that it is a fact or a rumor. See first sentence, cow gives birth to a calf. It's a fact. Explanation, scientific truth. Sentence number 2, in 2025 the sun will swallow the earth. It's a rumor. Explanation is, it is not proved. You receive a message that you have won rupees 5 crores in a lottery. Of course, it is also a rumor because it is not from authority. Sentence number 4 is, bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. It's a fact. Explanation for it is scientifically proved. Sentence number 5, Many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. It's also a truth or a fact. Explanation for it is it is proved. Sentence number 6. Driverless cars are no more a dream. Driverless cars are no more a dream. It's a fact. Explanation. Trials are going on. 7. Sophia is world's first robo citizen. It's also a fact. Explanation is it's a truth. Ghosts dwell in banyan trees. It's a rumor because it is not proved. 9. Do not step out on a new moon day. It's a rumor because it is a superstition. Aliens will conquer the earth. It's also a rumor because it is not confirmed. You can give your own explanations. I think now you understood the meaning of a fact and a rumor very well. Thank you so much for watching the video.